Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Oliverius, and oftentimes I get asked by people, do I really need to use a setting powder and a setting spray? What's the difference? Is it required that I use both? Can I use one or the other? And so what I wanted to do today was just break it down for you what the difference is between a setting powder and a setting spray and why or why not you personally would want to use both. For me, I use both. What I have found is that if you want the professional results, the look, the way things stay on all day through sweating or through, a long day at work, you want those results, you need to use the products that get you those results. So the first thing that I want to share with you is about setting powder. So a setting powder, the one that I use is a translucent setting powder. So actually, let me put a little just in the lid here for you. I'm going to show you what I like about this here. So you can see that it's just, it's like an off-white color. Or there's even some on there. So it's, like I said, it's translucent. So what I really like about this, one of the number one things, you don't have to color match. This is good for anybody of any skin tone, which is great. What the setting powder does is it keeps your makeup in place. But the really great thing about this, and that I use it for in a ton of my videos, is for blending. So what you can actually do is get some of this on a brush, and say you've applied some blush and you got too much on there, all you have to do is use a little of this on top of it, blends it right out. So setting powder, of course, yes, you can dust it all over your face to set your makeup, but my absolute favorite thing about it is that it blends your makeup and gives you a super flawless finish all over your face. The next thing is a setting spray. Now, a setting spray, for me, can also be used as a primer. It's going to help mattify your face, and like I said, just like a normal primer would do, it's going to help provide a barrier between your makeup and your face so that your makeup stays on longer. Now, I still do prefer to use my regular primer. However, a lot of times I do like to use this, especially if I know I'm going to go somewhere and get sweaty. So on the days that I have run club, I also like to use this as my primer. Now, the thing with this, a setting spray, it does not blend. It's not sticky or anything like that, but it mists your face and then it sets. So it's not meant to be blending at all. So you use it as a primer, and then when you're done with your makeup, you can spritz this all over your face. What you would actually want to do is hold it 6 to 8 inches away and spray in an X and then in a T. And that can help cover the whole face. So that's the difference between a setting powder and a setting spray. Now, why would you use both of these? Well, because they do both do different things, and then it's almost like you're getting double the setting powder or setting power stay. So a lot of times, I'll do my live videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This also happens to be my run club days, and I am no doubt going to go out and get super sweaty. Well, I feel confident using these that when I'm done running, my makeup isn't. Get it? My makeup's not running. All right, so I think that that's really important for me. As somebody who's very active, having the double power of the setting spray and the setting powder really makes a huge difference, and my makeup still looks good when I'm done. So if you've got questions, let me know. Feel free to pop over to my website, julieoliverius.com, and click on the My Community tab and request to become a member of the VIPs, because you'll get exclusive deals that you guys won't ever see on my fan page. So total benefit for you there. You can also shop in my online store, and you can subscribe to my blog. I send out a new blog post just once a week, delivered straight to your email, so you get my latest tips. So if you've got questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.